beyerdynamic Byrd in-ear headphones. Punchy with punchy bass. This is orange color with black and grey earbuds. Your life, your sound is the brand. It is priced at 2,199 and on offer it will come for 999 rupees from headphonezone.in. So we are going to unbox this. Here we have to open this like this. This is one of the best, this seems to be one of the best low priced earphones. That is not Chinese, German made. Let's see how it looks like. Let's keep them aside. This is the box. Here are the earphones. They look glorious in orange color, look stylish. The ear tips are black and grey. This is the left one and this is the right one. Choose correct size of ear tips for perfect fit and bass response. That's what they say. This has good bass as per the description. No problem. Beyerdynamic it says here and the symbol. Designed by Beyerdynamic in Germany, Beyerdynamic GmbH Co. KG. So the wire seems sturdy and soft to touch, and these appear like metallic, but they are made of plastic and they look good and stylish. So they have given two sets of earbuds, which are medium and one small, and there is nothing in this box. That's it for now. Wait for the review of these earbuds by the next Sunday. Thank you very much.